तारा, आज तुमने शिवा की मासूमियत को ही उसका गुनाह बना दिया, जिसका हिसाब ये अभिमन्यु देगा। चारा मैंने डाल दिया है। अब ये चारा मुंह में लेकर मछली सोचती है कि उसे हजम कर लेगी। उसने धोखे का मतलब सिखाया।
तारा,
मुझे भी तोड़ दिया, पर वह मछली पकड़ने की डोर है। मोहब्बत का फरेब करके जैसे तुमने मुझे बर्बाद किया था।
Welcome, Mr. Abhimanyu. I'm Tara. He is my business partner and my husband.
जो प्यार था,
Will you marry me? सर, मैंने किसी को नहीं मारा।
भरोसा तोड़ा, प्यार तो देखा, अब मेरा बदला देखना। जो यार था, उसे दुश्मन से भी बुरा पाया।
इस दुनिया में कोई नहीं है जो मुझे समझ सकता।
मैं हूं तारा। नादान इतना भी नहीं जानती कि चारा डालने वाले के हाथ में मदद के साथ मैंने खुद को जोड़ लिया। अब कदम मेरा अगला देखना। चेकिंग।
Have we met before?
Have you?
The highly anticipated trailer for Gunah, set to release in 2025, has finally dropped, and it's already sending waves through the cinematic world. Directed by the visionary filmmaker Arav Malhotra, Gunah promises to be a gripping tale of crime, morality, and redemption that will leave audiences questioning the boundaries between right and wrong. Plot teasers and themes. The trailer opens with a haunting monologue by the protagonist, Ayan Kapoor, played by the versatile Arjun Mehra, a conflicted detective burdened by his own past sins. Ayan is tasked with solving a series of brutal murders that seem to be connected by a chilling message left at each crime scene: every sin has a price. The narrative appears to delve into the psychological turmoil of its characters, exploring themes of guilt, justice, and the gray areas of morality. Interspersed with intense action sequences and emotionally charged dialogues, the trailer hints at a multi-layered story. The introduction of enigmatic vigilante Zara Khan, portrayed by the talented Riya Sharma, adds a layer of intrigue. Is she an ally or a foe? Her cryptic line, "Sometimes justice demands a sin," has already become a talking point among fans. Visual and cinematic excellence. The visuals are nothing short of breathtaking. Cinematographer Sanjay Rao captures the gritty underbelly of a metropolis drenched in rain and shadows, creating an atmosphere that's both menacing and melancholic. The use of contrasting light and dark tones mirrors the film's central conflict between sin and redemption. The trailer's background score, composed by the renowned Priya Desai, elevates the tension with its haunting melodies and pulsating beats. The music perfectly complements the visuals, making every frame impactful. Cast and performances. Arjun Mehra's portrayal of Ayan Kapoor stands out as a career-defining role. His intense expressions and raw vulnerability promise a performance that will resonate deeply with audiences. Riya Sharma's Zara Khan is equally compelling, exuding a mix of mystery and strength that keeps viewers guessing. The supporting cast, including veteran actor Anil Sinha as Ayan's mentor and newcomer Aisha Patel as a key witness, adds depth to the story. Each character seems to play a pivotal role in unraveling the mystery, making Gunah a true ensemble piece. Fan reactions and expectations. Within hours of its release, the trailer has garnered millions of views and sparked widespread discussion on social media. Fans are praising the film's gritty tone, stellar cast, and thought-provoking premise. Hashtags like #GunahTrailer and #EverySinHasAPrice are trending, with viewers eagerly dissecting every frame for hidden clues. The anticipation for Gunah is at an all-time high, with many predicting it to be a game-changer in the crime thriller genre. If the trailer is any indication, Arav Malhotra has crafted a cinematic masterpiece that will leave an indelible mark on audiences. Release date.